Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore MetaMask wallet using seed phrase, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your MetaMask wallet using your seed phrase, begin by opening the MetaMask application or extension. If you don't have MetaMask installed yet, download it from the official website or the appropriate app store. Once you have MetaMask open, select the option for Import Wallet on the welcome screen. You will be prompted to enter your seed phrase. Your seed phrase is a series of 12 or 24 words that you received when you initially created your wallet. Carefully enter each word from your seed phrase in the correct order. Ensure there are no typos or missing words, as this will prevent successful restoration. Next, create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong password that you will remember, as this will be used to unlock your wallet. Once you've entered the password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Click on the Import button to proceed. MetaMask will then begin to restore your wallet using the seed phrase provided. Wait a few moments while the restoration process is completed. After restoration, you will have access to your wallet and its assets. Take a moment to review your account and ensure everything is in order. If you encounter any issues, double-check your seed phrase for accuracy. Always remember to keep your seed phrase secure, as it is the key to your wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.